Aïe, bobo! Nan non grand-mère là, nan non Guinée, nan non défait, nan non tout professeur, tout ça que montre mieux, tout ça moi, tout ça me parle. Ao Chenago, Bilolo, Kwasembo, Alasso, Swakongo, Aïe, bobo. Hi, my name is Djenane Juste. I am the founder and artistic director of Afoutayi, the Haitian dance music and arts company located in Minnesota. I am an immigrant from Haiti. I am a cultural bearer because born in Haiti, art is all I know. Spirituality. My mother, Florencia Pierre, is a Vodou priestess that we call Mambo in our religion. And also, she's one of the most amazing and traditional dance instructor and choreographer. So I grew up in the depth, in the profound beauty of Haitian culture, not only as an artist, but as an healer. So that's one of the reasons I am a cultural bearer. My practice is very interesting because in some culture, you do one thing, but in Haiti, we connect everything. Drumming, dancing, singing, storytelling, food, and conversation are all part of our culture. And growing up, I saw how my mother connected with her community and became a healer, and how she was trained by her elders and my grandmother. So since then, I wanted to step on and be a cultural bearer and add a little bit more on top of the work they were doing. I remember growing up in Port-au-Prince, the capital city of Haiti. We had a few options of the real tradition. It's when I traveled to the island of La Gonave, where my grandmother was from, I really discovered the importance of culture, because everything there was a piece of art. When you arrive into that island, everybody from the mountain down to the coast come and welcome you, because you're part of the family. And I felt like I didn't know that I have so many family. And my mom said they are not blood related, but they are part of your family because they care about you. Your well-being is their well-being too. If you're doing great, they receive that blessing. And I feel, wow, growing up as a only child, I'm like, I think I never had other family. But that gave me the importance of culture and how you need to pass along this knowledge from generation to generation. I remember my grandmother told me, listen, you need to do good at school. I don't know how to read or write, and I want you to take over and take everything we teach you, write it, put it in a way so the next generation can get access to it and be proud of it. That's how not only I'm a dancer, a choreographer, a storyteller, but I'm also a writer. And I'm sharing all my knowledge that I take from my family, my mom, my grandmother, and my elders, and putting it into words, into books, to share with my students. I share knowledge by being alert and present. One thing I learned is like my mom was always disciplined and respectful about our tradition. So there's a certain way and there's a certain respect for elders and community and natures. So a knowledge is not shared only into a classroom and a setup already organized, but it can be cooking and we talk and she make reference of her teachers, or it can be going to the market and she take example of the merchant and the street, they connect, they produce, and how they use our spirituality to have a good luck that day, what color of dress they put. Each color of dress and each way of life is a symbol that is and tied to our tradition. Is it today Wednesday, the day of Ogouferai? So do you put red or blue? Do you drink your rum? Or today is Tuesday and the day of Erzulifreda, the deity of love and flirtation. So everything is not only art or spirituality, but it go into the economy of the community. So the more they know, the more they are aware to treat each other. I had the opportunity to travel to Cuba, and I studied in Cuba for 5 years, where I get my bachelor degree in education. And that was an amazing experience for me because I started learning the tool as a teacher how to transmit academically all those knowledge to the mainstream student. After, when I immigrated to the US, also I get an opportunity to do a master program at St. Thomas University, where I get a Master of Education and a ELL license. And each time I add a little bit more into my training, help me connect more with students of all ages and be able to communicate with them, because unfortunately, Haiti, when Haiti is in the news, is not positive. And because of that, a lot of descendants of Haiti are afraid and ashamed to say that they are Haitian, because everything they see in the news is negative and they don't want to be associated with that. And people don't think that they can hurt a child and hurt the whole family, because now we notice a lot of younger generation doesn't want to talk with the older generation because they say they are witch, they are practicing voodoo, or all kind of negative connotation. So my work was to put the voodoo, translate it into song and dance for K-12 classes and teach them about the importance of culture. And voodoo is not religion there to destroy, but is a religion connected with ancestral knowledge and with nature. And so that was the way I share my knowledge. And it's not a set, because I keep growing and keep learning and keep mastering that knowledge and keep trying to evolve with this generation who technology is becoming so important. So not only I'm trying to write books, but also doing visual and audiovisual to gain their attention, not to transform or to invite anybody into the voodoo religion, but for them to know their background, be proud, and be able to share it with a smile on their face. In 2009, I moved to the US. In 2010, there was a big earthquake in Haiti. My mother and my brother joined me and my son in California at that time. And that's how Afoutayi was created, to give awareness and knowledge to all this Haitian immigrant. In 2014, we moved to Minnesota because there was a huge community of Haitian adoptees here that was disconnected completely from their roots. Their parents are mostly American, white American, who doesn't speak Creole, doesn't know anything about Haiti. They just, because of what happened, they want to help and support, and they adopted. And we are so thankful of that. But also became a big gap in between identity for this young generation growing up in the US. So when we moved here, Afoutayi, my family and I, we create different programs where the family as well as the children can learn about the language, the food, the culture, the dance, the music, the drumming. And it's being successful because there was a lot of interest, and that helped us a lot to continue, because this is where our passion is, to transmit our knowledge to the next generation. And in 2022, we were able to afford to rent a place. And here it is, our own dance studio in Golden Valley. Before, we had the support of different amazing community members like the Indigenous Root, Two Dance, the Call Center, Sabatoni, Creator Space that help us. But now we can host 5 days a week activity that engage all these people from Haiti to reclaim that identity they lost. And at the same time to invite other people, because Afoutayi is not only for Haiti. Afoutayi is for all those people who was looking for connection with their roots, connection with humanity, connection with arts. So here we have people from Congo coming. We have people from Venezuela, from Puerto Rico, from Mexico, from El Salvador, from France, Canada, everywhere. And we connect because we recognize that importance of valuing your roots and your identity. I am so honored to have the more fun job. Every day I go to K-12 public school and teach dance, drumming, storytelling, and Haitian cultural heritage to children and to their teachers. And that fill my life, that fill everything inside, because I feel like, yes, that's what I was meant to be, what I was meant to do in life. And each time I arrive into a classroom, not only I'm sharing something, but I always receive something back, a connection from one kid who say, you know what, I resonate with this. You know what, teacher? Thank you. You changed my day. You shift something for me. Or a teacher telling me, hey, now I know how to work with these kids. I didn't know in Haiti that was the way it is. Because sometimes here in the US, there's not enough recess. In Haiti, for us, we have 1 hour recess. So when the kids done with class, they get 1 hour to play, to run, to drum, to sing and dance. When they come to class, they are focused. Everybody's focused. But it's really hard when you come to the US, there's a different structure. And the children doesn't know what to do with their body, especially Haitian Black children, because they are used to run out in the sun, by the sea all the time. And it's okay. So those kind of, not conflict, but struggle, when I go to a classroom, that's how I help teachers, parents, and also the community, the student. And that's how I try my best to help bring things to their rightful places. So I'm here because in Minnesota, and we're so connected to this land because of the way we get the opportunity to keep Haitian cultural heritage alive with all the Minnesotans, the immigrant ones and the local ones. And because of that, we are able to show the beauty of our Blackness and how proud we are to be Haitian, the first Black republic in the world. And how proud we are from an island who cares about freedom, about love, about respect, about humanity. And I'm here to say thank you to my mother, Florencia Pierre, my teacher, my mentor, for allowing me to be a student and now be able to share with everyone who wants to learn. Aïe Bobo.